Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite things in music, something that makes something expressive and musical. We are going to talk about dynamics. All right, so our basic dynamics that we're going to want to work with today are our terraced dynamics. And we are going to write those in two different categories, okay? So we're going to go over here and talk about our quieter dynamics and then our loud dynamics. So we're going to have three in each of these categories. Our quiet dynamics, let's start with the quietest one, and that is the double P. Ha ha, P, P. That is pianissimo, pianissimo. And that means very quiet. So when you see that in your music, shh, sing it really quietly. Next level up, a little bit louder, would be normal 1P, and that is piano, for just normal quiet. And then one level higher than that would be MP for mezzo piano, which means medium quiet. So those are our three sort of quieter dynamics. The next level up from mezzo piano goes in this category, and that is MF for mezzo forte. Notice that both of these use the word mezzo, and that means medium or middle or moderately. So medium loud. We sing at this dynamic a lot. Then we have our normal F for forte, meaning loud. And we have a double F for fortissimo. Fortissimo, if you want to say it with an Italian accent. And that is very loud. Okay, and these are our terraced dynamics, so just individual levels. There's no growth or decay between them. You are singing at whatever volume it says. These pop up in our music all the time. We talk about them in class all the time. You just have to memorize them. So the direction that we go through these is pianissimo, piano, mezzo forte, forte, and fortissimo. All right, good. We have a couple other dynamic markings that I want to talk about with you guys. And I'm sure that most of us, if not all of us, know these already, but it's good to talk about them. Make sure. We have one that looks like this, and that is our crescendo. Now, it might be written like this in your music. It might just be written as this, crest, with a period, just as an abbreviation. And this means gradually get louder. A lot of times it'll be written like this. It'll have a dynamic on this side, so like let's say you're starting at mezzo piano, and then it'll have a dynamic on this side, forte. And what that is telling you is it wants you to gradually change over whatever measures it's over, like it might have, two measures here with music in it. It wants you to gradually change from mezzo piano to forte through those two measures. The opposite of this is a decrescendo, decrescendo. Same thing, you might see it written out, you might see this symbol, but it means the same thing, and that is gradually get quieter. Another symbol that we see a lot in our music that means the same thing almost as decrescendo is this. You might just see it as an abbreviation, dim, or you might see the full word, diminuendo. And that means diminishing or gradually getting softer. It means the same thing. These are just things that you have to memorize. There's no easy way to remember what they mean. It's easy to remember the symbol because the bell of the crescendo is getting bigger as you're getting louder, so the image looks like what it means. And same for decrescendo. The bell of the image is getting smaller as your volume is going down. But those are our basic dynamics that we use in choral music. Please reach out. Let me know if you've got any questions or concerns. See you all soon.